I made $3,600 in 30 days selling simple digital products online. No ads, no team, no funnel, no fluff. Just planners, templates, and ebooks priced between $7 and $37. Now, before we get started, if you're the kind of person who loves selling but hates creating from scratch, I'll link my favorite shortcut down below. It's what I would use if I was starting over today. And if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Karen, and I help beginner digital product creators launch fast, sell confidently, and finally get consistent income without tech overwhelm or a huge following. If that's what you're after, you're definitely in the right place. So let's walk through the exact playbook I use to hit 3,600 in just 30 days from low ticket digital products. Step number one is that I didn't guess, I researched. Before I made anything, I looked for what people were already searching for but couldn't find simple, fast solutions for. I wasn't just chasing trends, I was solving specific annoying problems. And these are the three product types that perform the best for me: planners for a specific struggle, templates that gave clear outcomes, and ebooks that solved one real problem quickly. Instead of selling a generic self care planner, I created a 7-minute reset routine for moms who never get a break. It wasn't fancy, it was specific. Step number two is that I use product names that do the selling. I don't use cute names, I use clear names. Here's a formula I use all the time: result plus framework, or result plus transformation. So, for example, the 15-minute weekly meal plan system for busy moms. That one change alone took a product from 3 sales a month to 30 sales a month. Because if they don't get what the product does from the title, they won't click on it. It is as simple as that. Step number three is that I price low, but I deliver high value. I stuck to $7 to $27 range. Why? Because low ticket equals low resistance. It turns strangers into customers fast. I wasn't trying to make $3,000 from one course. I was stacking $9, $17, and $27 products until I hit that goal. So for example, my $17 digital planner, it was also bundled with a $9 affirmation card set. It was an easy upsell and an easy yes. And if you're stuck wondering what kind of product to even start with, I made you something. It's a free guide with 500 plus digital product ideas that are selling right now. It's linked in the description box below. That alone could spark your next $1,000 idea. Now, step four, I emailed my list twice a week. Now, you don't need a big list. You need a consistent list. Every week, I send one value email, something helpful or some behind the scenes, and then one product email, either launching something or reminding them it exists. No spam, no pressure, just being present with my email list. Step number five is that I used upsells the smart way. After someone bought, I would show them another product, like, if you like this, you'll love this. That's it. Not a full-blown funnel, just smart stacking. This right here added hundreds in revenue without needing new traffic, because most people don't need more followers. They need better offers. But here's what I wish I knew earlier. I didn't have to spend all that time creating from scratch. If you're in the middle of Canva chaos right now, stuck trying to build something decent, but wondering if it will even sell, you don't have to do it that way. Inside my Digital Goldmine membership, I give you 5 to 7 digital products every single month. These include planners, templates, ebooks, all customizable, all resellable, and ready to list. And right now, founding member spots are open for the first 300 people. After that, the price changes. So if you want to start selling instead of endlessly creating, I'll drop the link below in the description. And if you're still wondering which product to start with, click this video next, where I'm breaking down 6 printables you can create in Canva and sell forever. I'll see you there.